Have you ever come across a situation where you have to measure something and find the process hideous and tiresome? Too far? Too dark? Too complicated? Ditch the traditional measuring tape and meet the Mileseey DT20. It is the perfect combination of a laser ranger, a digital measuring tape, and a professional interior design app. The laser can point up to 40 meters so that the objects that are far away and out of your reach can be measured with little effort. The digital measuring tape allows you to read the numbers on an LCD screen, which gives you accurate data within no time, even when the lights are out. Besides measuring, DT20 can also help you calculate the area and volume you need right on the spot, or save up numbers for later use. After you're done measuring, all the data will be sent to the mobile app via Bluetooth, where they can be used to draw out floor plans and 3D design sketches. Doors, windows, and furniture can also be added if you like. You can also take pictures and share photos or files with others using the app. With Mileseey DT20, measuring has never been so easy.